Hello! Many of us have probably customized their own phone by painting, decorating, stickers, all that sort of stuff. But how many of you have made completely unique covers all by yourself from scratch? Nokia has launched this new phone, which is using recycled plastic in its cover. I decided to make recycled plastic covers for my own phone. I'm going to use the same stuff as Nokia, so old CDs. One-hit wonders are the best stuff for this. Look what we have here. Las Ketchup, Schnappi and seine Freunde. Who let the dogs out? Crap. Howdy, partner. How do you guys actually make this stuff? Chop, chop, let's go. Now, explain.
We use for that, for example, CDs. That's one source. And then we have water bottles, those that are being used in the offices, the big ones. They are then grinded in the small pieces and melted.
Well, of course the plastic has to be melted. I made this mold. And then I protected the camera, the microphone, and the touchscreen. I'm sure everyone has a microwave at home. It's good for making great sparks, but that's about it. Surely everyone has a flamethrower at home.
Eikö tämmöisessä videossa yleensä pitäisi olla se joku varoitus?
Don't try this at home or anywhere. Really? Always better to do this outside. I tried it inside and smoke was crazy.
Pistäkö poikki? Is the phone on, by the way? Did you turn the phone on?
Oh,
What if someone calls?
now we just wait.
Consumers want our covers to be high quality. They want it to be durable. We do the drop test, what we do for normal covers. We do the UV testing, chemical testing and all. The surface needs to be neat. It needs to be good for your hand.
Is it still working?
Yeah, there's a message.
Really?
There is a message, actually. So, there we are. My unique custom-made recycled phone covers are done. What do you think?